Hello, and welcome to the PCO Camware video tutorials. Tutorial number 6, View Window and Context Menu. In this video, we take a closer look on the View Window and its Context Menu. In the last video, it was explained how to open the View Window. If you want to open more than one window for one camera, just click the View Window button and PCO Camware will create a new one. You can arrange these windows horizontally or vertically. You can also arrange them by deactivating the tabbed MDI mode in the View menu bar and choosing Application Look. This allows to drag the windows to different positions or even a second monitor. The context menu, which is available with a right click of the View window, also allows you to activate or adjust several features of PCO Camware. If you're using a color camera, you can enable or disable the color view. With a monochrome camera, pseudo-colors can be assigned to an image when activating Show Color. More about this topic will be explained in the tutorial about lookup tables. The View window can be split into 4 divisions, which allows you to easily track 4 different views of your application. Use the Zoom plus or minus button available in the context menu to adjust the level of detail in every view window individually. The zoom level can also be adjusted with the corresponding plus and minus keys on your keyboard. The size of the split window elements is easily adjusted by grabbing and dragging the dividing lines. To undo the split, double-click on the dividing line. The stretched view selection fits the size of your image to the inner section of the PCO Camware display. It can be fitted to the maximum available size or with the correct size ratio depending on the camera's resolution. When the feature Scroll Synchronously is enabled, the image selection takes place in all windows in parallel. It will also change the display position or zoom level in all windows synchronously. An easy way to adjust your display contrast can be done with the Auto Range buttons. If you select Auto Range Peak, the monitor display is using the highest and lowest intensity value to adjust the contrast. The Auto Range Crop button will display your image with the higher contrast adjustment. Once you activate Continuous Auto Range, the contrast of your image will always be adjusted live, depending on your image content. The functions Flip, Mirror, Rotate Left, and Rotate Right flip the image horizontal, mirror the image vertical, or rotate it in steps of 90 degrees. A very helpful feature to reduce the amount of saved data is the Set File Save ROI. By activating this feature, a red rectangle will appear. Its size can be adjusted by grabbing the corners of the rectangle. Once selected, the saving dialog only saves the image content which is selected with the red rectangle. It is possible to watch a line profile in the View window. A graph in the length of the individually set line shows the intensity values of the pixels along the set line. The starting and end point of the line can be moved afterwards by grasping the points with the left mouse button. In the View window, a crosshair can be marked. It can be moved, just drag it by the mouse. By double-clicking into the center of the crosshairs, its position can be reset to the center. The properties of the crosshair can be changed by clicking on File and choosing Options. For example, another color can be selected. All the current settings can be displayed permanently by activating the feature Properties. Enabling this The 3 topics view mode, common view mode, and image conversion are displayed. Having recorded at least 50 images, you can scroll through them quickly. For this, hold down the left mouse button on the image number on the top of the left corner of the view window. Alternatively, you can enter the desired image number directly into the number field or use the mouse wheel. That was all about view window and context menu. Thanks for watching.